So students, our next topic is difference between work and energy. So what is the difference between work and energy? When work is said to be done and when energy is said to be spent. So work specifically we define as the force applied to move anything. While how much force you are applying, आप कितनी फोर्स अप्लाई कर रहे हो, आप कितनी मेहनत कर रहे हो, एकदम जोरों शोरों से उसे करना चाहते हो कि आप बस ऐसे ही विथ लेस वर्क विथ लेस व्हाट आई कैन से फोर्स यू आर डूइंग, सो उसे एनर्जी कहेंगे. सो बोथ द थिंग्स आर डिफरेंट. हाउ मच force you are applying, how much ability you are having, how much capacity you are having to do the work, that is energy. While the force you are simply applying and the moving is and the particular object is moving, that is said to be work. So here it is the main difference between the work and energy. Next important topic which we are having is renewable energy and non-renewable energy. The renewable energy is the one which will last for a long period of time. Like the energy we get from the sun, will be getting till we have sun. So sun will be always there. The energy which we get from water, the energy which we get from wind, they are the renewable energy sources. That is the solar energy, the hydro energy, the wind energy. They are renewable. They will last for a long period of time. While the energy sources which we get from the limited amount in nature and which will not last for long period of time, like coal, the energy we get from coal, petrol, natural gas, they will not be there till centuries, till 100,000 years. They will finish over on one day. One day will come when there will be no coal on the earth. All the coal would be used by us. One day will come when no petroleum would be there on the earth. All the petroleum would be used by us in our vehicles. One day will come when we will not have any natural gas, because all the natural gas will be used by us. So such a energy is called as non-renewable. They will be finished over on one day. Let it be after 100 years, after 1000 years, or after 50,000 years, but will end, that is for sure. So that is the renewable energy and non-renewable. That is why it is said that non-renewable energy should be used carefully and judiciously, means wisely. सोच समझ के उसे यूज़ किया जाए. इसलिए कहा जाता है पेट्रोल को, कोल को, डीजल, उन सबको सोच समझ के यूज़ करना चाहिए. Right? So here we ended up our chapter. In the next lecture we will meet again to study some another chapter, another new topic. Till then, keep studying science. Thank you.